Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with another dollar spot project. It's kind of reminiscent to the chocolate bouquet flowers that I made, but this one is using Tootsie Pops. And I think Tootsie Pops are a lot more fun for kids. And you can make these as a Valentine's Day favor for the upcoming Valentine's Day holiday. And I think they're really, really cute. You can put a little hang tag on them for the to and from and make one each for each of your kids' classmates, or even for kids take it a step further and create one for your teacher using these super cute pots that I found at Michael's in the dollar spot. They come with some seeds in them already. I guess they're supposed to be mini herb pots, but I don't do that. So I thought they would make super cute Valentine's Day gifts. So you need a little styrofoam ball and you're going to need the pot from the dollar spot. I have a couple of samples here for you. I painted this one red for Valentine's Day, and this one I glittered up because how cute is that going to be for a little girl's birthday party? That is the cutest party favor ever. I just absolutely love it. I don't have any little girls, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this, and my nieces are in New York, so I guess it's going to adorn my my scrap room. So look at that. The pot is glittered. We use some artificial grass in here. This is from the Easter section. And how perfect, because Easter's coming, so you're going to find this now, ladies. And this one, red pot, just painted with regular acrylic paint. And that's what it looks like. So I'm going to show you how to get this started and how to get it done. And it's so easy. It's going to be under 10 minutes to get this done. So what you're going to need is 2 flowers cut out with your Cricut. These flowers are cut at 2.5 inches, and I use my George cartridge to cut these flowers out. And if you need more detailed instructions on how to do this, you can refer to my previous video on how to make these flowers. So you're going to need the 2 flowers. You're going to need just the one cut with the split in the center. And how you get that is that you fold it in half one way, you fold it in half, and you snip another way, and you get that nice cross in the center. The second part that you're going to need is you're going to take the flower and you're going to snip just one of the petals off. And that's what you do. And once you snip one of the petals off, you're going to fold it in half. Well, not fold it in half. Fold it into itself, one petal into itself. You're going to apply some hot glue gun, just a small amount, so you can get a nice secure adhesion there, so you can form this cone shape. And once you have this cone shape formed, you're going to want to snip about 1/8 of an inch off the bottom, because you're going to need to get your lollipop in there, okay? So about 1/8 of an inch. If that doesn't work for you, just snip off a little bit more and make sure your lolly fits in there. Next step is you're going to want to roll the edges. So I'm rolling them with a stylus. You can use a chopstick or anything that would allow you to roll these petals back, okay? So here's the last one. We're going to roll those up, or down I should say. And you get a nice curled look to your petal. Next step is you're going to need your lollipop. You're going to insert the 3-petal cone into the lollipop, and you're going to want to turn a little bit because you don't want this to unravel. So you're going to put that in your lollipop, and that's what it's going to look like so far. Next, you're going to want to apply some adhesive first to the bottom of this petal. Why? Because you're going to want to stick that 5-petal flower to the lollipop without it getting all on the wrapper, because you're going to want the kids to eat this. So by doing that, it allows you to give you a nice fit, and it forms the shape of the lollipop perfectly. So that's why I'm suggesting that you do it this way. Okay, there's probably another way, whatever's easiest for you to get that lollipop around the flower. So by doing that allows the child to remove the petals and just eat the lollipop, but it also stays securely around the lolly. So for some leaves, you're going to want to have leaves. So all you need to do is use a piece of green ribbon. So here's a piece of green ribbon. You're going to tie it around the lollipop stick, and I make a double knot. I tie this way, then I flip it around, and I tie it the other way. And That's it. So of course that flower is going to come off the lollipop while you're struggling with the ribbon, but it stays. Believe me, it stays. So then you're gonna, if you're gonna want to put a tag, you want to put your tag before you make that second knot, okay? For this case, I'm gonna put it in the flower pot, so I'm not gonna put a tag right now, but it'll work with the tag or without the tag. So I need my ribbon scissors here. Those other scissors are for paper and they don't cut ribbon nicely. So there's your leaf. You have an instant leaf with green ribbon. How super cute is that? So there's your flower. You can add some stickles like I did here. And you have such a cute little gift for Valentine's Day or a party favorite for a little girl. So, so cute. And for the grass, all you're going to need is, as I said before, is some Easter grass or any crinkled paper of any kind. And you're going to want to wrap it around the ball and just try to get it as best as you can around that ball. You're going to want to put plenty of adhesive in the bottom of that mini flower pot, and you're going to stick your ball in there. And it should look like that. And I don't like all this mess, so I just snip off the excess. And what happens is, when you snip off the excess, is that you get little, it looks like grass is actually growing out of the pot because you get these nice little cut edges. So I think it's really cute. Anyway, this is what it looks like, and here's one that I finished with red paint, and here's my finished flower with the ribbon, and you stick it in there and done. How cute is that? Here's my dollar spot project, ladies. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave me a comment on my blog or on my YouTube channel. My blog is www.paperphenomenon.blogspot.com. Pay me a visit. Thank you so much, and until next time.